Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by for another episode of Life with Marianne and Joe. Hey everyone, how are you? Hope everybody's doing well. Thanks for stopping by today. I know a lot of you are saying to yourselves, when is this guy going to start decorating for fall? So hopefully this week, September 1st is Wednesday, so I should be starting then. I've been trying to hold off until September. But today, what I wanted to do is I wanted to share with you a few more designs that I have created in the past. So far, I've shared with you some of the mantles that I've done for fall, as well as some tablescapes. So today, I just put a short video together dealing with some of the designs that I did for our entry foyer. So I hope you will enjoy this little video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, put the notification bell on. It's free to do that. And also drop me a comment and give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out getting my videos out for more people to see. Okay, everybody, I hope you enjoy this. And like I said, it's really short, and hopefully I will be decorating this week. Everybody, I hope you made it to the end of the video. If you did, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Like always, take care of yourself, and I'll be seeing you really soon. Bye-bye.